Hi Capricorn and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of January 2021 is going to be for you. Along with that, I'm also going to talk about what is your soul growth or soul path for the year of 2021. Now I'm making these videos in quite in advance and while I was working on December videos, I kind of figured out that there are a lot of things that we can change about 2021 if we start working on ourselves in the month of December itself. And that's the beauty of tarot cards. It gives us a window where we can improve the situations or change the things in our life. And with that, I'm giving you the January readings early so that you have that time period of 10 days or 15 days or 11 days, whatever is available when I post the video, in which you can actually work on yourself, and thereby you can actually change how 2021 will look for you and make it a more better year for you. I hope this window helps you, and I'm going to talk about the soul growth or spirituality in the end of the video. So just start with, this is the month which is going to make you realize what is it that you need to work upon. So it's going to change your belief system. It's going to push you for changing your belief system. It's going to push you to change your thoughts about people around you. It's going to push you to see the reality of people who are around you. It's going to again push you to see the positive in everything and balance yourself thereby, because it is happening to make your wishes come true. The wishes that you have, the thoughts that you have, they need to be true now. They need to come to surface. You need to see your ships coming in, and for happening of that, it is very important to kind of shake you up and make you work towards things that you need to, because I think month after month after month the cards have been suggesting you few changes, and it looks like few of you might have done those changes, but most of you have not. And that's why this month is going to push you to kind of bring in those changes in your life. I see in the end of the month the card of abundance. I see Ace of Pentacle, I see Page of Pentacle, I see Ten of Wands. It's a completion. It's something new flowing into your life. It's money flowing into your life. It's new learnings flowing into your life. So overall, it's a very positive outcome. The only thing that I will suggest you this month, don't be too focused on money. Don't be too focused on material world. Don't be too focused on material things. And also ensure that you balance yourself emotionally, or you work on yourself emotionally. These two things are most important this month. So we start with your health. From your health perspective, first thing I would tell you is take care of your stomach health. So be very careful what you're drinking, what you're eating. Stomach health is going to be very, very important this month. Second, spine health is also kind of important, so take care of your posture. Third, take care of yourself, because if you drive, if you're walking, whenever you're on your way to somewhere, or on a road or anything where some kind of accident can happen, just try to be very careful, because there is some risk of accident that I kind of see on your cards. Also, if you're working with some kind of equipment, those are kind of there can be a fire situation with them, or equipments, they are more vulnerable to fire. Just be a little careful, because I kind of, with Tower card, I kind of see some problem with fire. Rather, in normal days, like normal household things, also ensure that we work with gas cylinder like every day. So ensure that you're careful while dealing with any object that can cause fire, because that's one thing that I kind of see on your cards is important. For your mental emotional health, I feel it is very important this month not to indulge in too much thinking. It's very important this month to focus on positives of everything, and it is very important to keep yourself balanced. And with Star card, you can actually bring in that balance. So meditate this month, keep yourself balanced, and that's going to be very, very important. If you do that, you can avoid quite a bit. If we talk about your money situation, your wealth, there is Page of Pentacle, there is Ace of Pentacle, there is Queen of Pentacle. I would not worry for your money situation at all. The money will flow into your life. But the only thing I would warn you is that don't be too focused on money. Don't be thinking too much about money, because it feels like you have a belief system where you think about money in a way as you know, like it's something scary. It's something that that should be this much, that should not be this much, or that can be this much only for me. So there is a belief system with money that you have, and that belief system needs to be healed. Now that belief system with money is directly related to your emotions as well, and that is why people in your life or emotions in your life are also has something very big to do with money as well, and that's why this month the focus should not be that. And if you don't focus on that, end of the month the abundance, the money growth is definitely coming into your life, so you don't have to be worried about that. Also, don't invest your money or put your money anywhere because you think that it is going to give you great results. Somebody who's luring you into something, or your mind is telling you that, if I put money there, I'll get a lot of this month. Investments is something that I will not suggest. So don't go for investments this month. End of the month, let things flow for you, and then next month, maybe by February and or March, you can start investing. But this month is not the month for investments. If we talk about your love situation or relationships, this is the month where you focus on yourself. I kind of feel that because there is a death card, there's a tower card, and that is on 3 of cups. It feels like there is, and usually I don't interpret death card as literal death, but it feels like it could be also literal moving away of somebody from your life, because there are people here, there is tower here, and there is death here. So it feels like there is something in your relationships area or in people around you, there is something that is going to happen which is going to trigger you, and it is going to trigger you to think about your belief system, to think about your life, to think about where you are, to think about what you want, to think about, are you really focused on what you should be focused upon? So to realize that what is it that you are kind of manifesting in your life, what is it that you want in your life, what is it that you're seeing in your life, and that is why it feels like there is an emotional event that kind of happens in the beginning of the month for you. But you need to know that this emotional event, the tower card, is usually because when God or when nature or when divine is nudging you and telling you to move forward, you're not, and that is when it has to give you a surprise, it has to give you a shock and tell you that, okay, now will you move? So that's the situation that it feels like. So this month, don't be negative. This month, don't think too much. Don't believe everyone, whatever everyone is telling you, because there could be some gossip, some things that are going around which are just to kind of make you believe certain things which are not actually there. So be focused on positives this month. It is very important. And second, if any truth, any situation, anything comes out about people in your life, know that it is because you need to work on yourself and start working on yourself. This is not the month where I would suggest that you go for marriage, because even if you decide that, there could be a delay in that. Something might just happen that causes the delay in that. Would not suggest you for pregnancy as well. And if pregnancy happens, keep your mind very, very positive. If baby happens, ensure that you're focusing on positive things and good things, and ensure that you're not doing everything and anything that is suggested by anybody and everybody. So you're choosing what you should do and should not do by looking at the positive side of everything, or evaluating the negatives and positives of everything. Other than that, relationship wise, I see wish fulfillment and I see balance, and you have the ability to pull both. If you actually focus on the good things and the right thing, you'll be able to pull in balance and wish fulfillment both in your relationships. If we talk about your job or work situation or your business, the cards are saying that this month, ensure that you're not too focused on people around you. So you're not too focused on people around you and not too focused on negatives. The job opportunity, if you don't have it, it will come by the end of the month, and the money flow will start probably from the next month or from March, February end or March, but the opportunity will come. Don't be too focused on what you're getting out of what you're doing. Don't be too focused on how people are gossiping or what people are saying. Don't be too focused on what is negative and what is the outcome that you wanted and what you're getting, because everything is going to change this month. Whatever is happening this month is happening because it wants to take you towards your wish fulfillment, and end of the month you will realize that. But if you focus too much about why growth is not happening, why I don't have a job, why things are not working my way, why my business is not growing, if you focus too much on that, you're creating that negative zone where you're going to push this Ace of Pentacles away. Don't push that away. Be focused, be clear, be focused on the positives, think on what you have in your life, and be balanced. This is very important. Star card is very, very important. Be balanced this month. Also, if you're into a business, try to focus on marketing as much as you're focusing on your product or your service. So that's about your business or work this month. If you are into study, ensure that this is the good month to pick up a new study. This is a good month to complete your studies if you have not been able to complete that. And for doing that, you need to just focus your mind on clarity and on good things. For your soul growth, soul path, this is a month that is going to push you towards your soul growth. So it is going to trigger you. It's going to give you something which is like a push from divine, that okay, you've not been moving, so here is the push from me, now will you move? And this is the month that will force you to think positive, to balance yourself, to bring limelight on you, or to bring you in limelight. And that's something that's very, very prominently coming across in your cards. And that is why you have to start looking at your soul growth this month. You have to start thinking what you want. How do you want to grow as a soul? What are your lessons? Start focusing on that, and you will see that happening across 2021. Your chakra of the month, base chakra, root chakra, is going to be very important. The mantra for root chakra is Lam. Also, the heart chakra is going to be good for you. So, heart chakra meditation, the mantra is Yam. Ensure that you do that this month. Is going to be very, very important, because the two things that I kind of see most important, or like the most trigger area of your life this month, are emotions and money. So root chakra and heart chakra, very important. If we talk about mental exercise of the month, the Queen of Raphael, the Queen of Cups, is here. She says, follow your heart, a love for home and family, trustworthy psychic information, kind, understanding, giving psychic. This is the month where you need to focus what you have in your life, what is good in your life. So you will say that I allow myself to look at the positive side of everything. I know whatever is happening in my life is happening for my good. There is abundance in universe for everyone and for me that is flowing into my life. I am ready to move past all the obstacles, let go of all the negativity of my past and belief system, change my belief system, and move towards this abundance in my life. Do that affirmation. Is going to help you big time. What is the surrender card of the month? The first card says, surrender your belief in scarcity. The universe is asking you to open to the infinite nature of abundance. In this way, you can remove blocks in your life and succeed beyond your wildest dreams. No, you would want to do that, right? We all would want to succeed beyond our wildest dream. And the only thing you need to do is remove blocks. And blocks, who has created blocks in your life? You. Who can remove it? You. Work on that. The unicorn card of your month for you says, listen and answers will be revealed. At times that is what is needed, just listening to your inner self. So if you close your eyes, listen to your inner self, that will guide you. But you need to listen, because it has been talking to you, you have not been listening to it. What will happen, or what are the outcomes if you follow the advice of the card? The first card is 8 of Ariel. It says, take great pride in your excellent work. Practice makes perfect. Consider getting additional education and training. So Page of Swords kind of shows that some additional learning that's going to help you. So consider additional learning and training, and things are going to work out wonderfully well for you. The next card, and this is your pentacles. So like I said, two main areas, money and emotions. So this is money, and then there comes emotions. The card says a situation has ended and you're finally free. New opportunities for happiness will now flow. Put the past behind you. And that's what I see. In the beginning of the month, there is a situation that is coming, and that is coming to kind of help you put the past behind, learn from it, move ahead. And that's what you need to do. Number of the month, number 3. Color of the month, green or red. Any shade is going to be good for you. What is your soul growth in the year of 2021? The first card is Priestess. It says, how are you being called to step up and lead? And this is the way you're being called, to step up and lead. You're one of the leaders, because there is a snake here. There is a Kundalini awakening. You're one of the leader souls. And for that, you have to actually get away or move past this emotional burden that you've created for yourself, or the belief system that you've created yourself. And for that, the card is Mirror. It says who and what is triggering you, and that is what is going to be tested from January throughout 2021. Whatever triggers you is something that you need to work upon, and the more you work upon it, the more you create heaven on earth. It is happening. So this year of 2021 is about changing your world completely, and you have the power. And the only thing that you have to do is you have to step up, you have to move up, you have to figure out what are the things that trigger you, work on those things, and if you work on those, the heaven will be created for you. And I think this trigger also is happening because it's your birthday month. So wish you a happy birthday, wish you a very happy birthday. And this is the month, so this is the month of your birthday, and the nature is actually pushing you and telling you, okay, it's enough, now move to where you are supposed to be moved, and move towards abundance. So you need to kind of accept that and move towards abundance. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's provided in the description box or through the comment section. You have to just write, I want my reading. I will share my number, we'll take it forward from there. Also, please share these videos with everyone that you can on your social media. There are a lot of videos about positivity and good things about my channel. You can be a medium to provide help to somebody, so please provide that help. Subscribe the channel if you can, and I will see you with the next month's prediction. Your feedbacks and comments are very, very important for me, so send them to me. I reply to all the comments, or at least acknowledge them, and I'm very thankful for you to watching this video. Thank you so much. Have a great year. 2021 brings you all the happiness. 2021 will bring you the heaven on earth. Just work on yourself, and I will see you with the next month's prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.